Should you be fully dependent on your would-be spouse in Canada for your Canada PR? This is the topic of today. Very interesting topic, and I have never seen anyone making this kind of video on the internet. Why I'm making this video? Because I'm handling so many spousal PR cases right now, overall Canada PR cases, but there are so many spousal PR cases as well, and there are many clients who are waiting to get the sponsorship from the spouse who has citizenship or PR in Canada. But lately I have seen many candidates, many clients, they are not getting the documents from the spouse, and they are facing problem, and they are nowhere to go right now because many of them went to Canada on study or on work permit or an LMIA. Now they are on the verge of getting separated, or they are almost separated, or even if they are not separated, they are not getting the documentation, and they are facing issues in Canada. So that's why I'm having to make this kind of video, where the clients are kind of, they are having this kind of assumption that if they are going to get married, they don't require to have a backup in that scenario, and they can simply get the sponsorship from the spouse who has the citizenship or the PR in Canada, and this would be spouse or the spouse is going to get the PR, and they don't really build their own profile. They don't be in the hunt of getting the right CRS score. They are not looking for express entry. They are not looking for PNP. They are not doing the appropriate job, and even if they are doing the job, they are not looking for the options to get independent PR, because they know that ultimately their PR is going to happen through their spouse in Canada, and there they are stuck now. Recently I got a case, after which I am making this video. Recently I got a case, and for that case everything was ready. We were making the documents ready for spousal PR. Case was running for last 2-3 months, and we were waiting for all the documents, and lately she shared that I'm not going to get the documents because my husband is not sharing the documents. And they were in the genuine relation, and they were genuinely married in Canada. And now, due to some kind of reason, I don't want to go into the reasons. It can be the mistake of the wife, it can be the mistake of the husband. I don't know the real picture, I don't know the real scenario between them. But the bottom line is, she is not getting the documents now for spousal PR. And she had an opportunity in Canada to get PR independently. But because she got married around 1 year back, 1.5 year back, she was assured that, okay, I will get married through spousal PR. Why should I make my profile in express entry? Why should I consult for something else? For express entry, special category draws, or for PNP, something. She was not looking for all those kind of things. So she did not build a backup in that kind of scenario where she was having an assured PR option. Now she just has like 3 months of work permit left, PG work permit left, and she has nowhere to go. She will require to take either LMIA, or she will require to take one more year, one more study in Canada, and she will require to spend money for either LMIA or for study, and ultimately that may also not get PR to her. This is just a pathway to extend her stay. That's it, but it may not get the PR to her, and she may require to do French for next 12 months, and then she may be able to get her PR in Canada. But she could get experience, right experience, maybe for special categories, maybe for PNP, and she could get her PR in Canada independently as well. She did not do anything for last 3 years. She went to Canada 5 years back. She completed her 2 year of study, got 3 year of PG work permit. PG work permit is going to expire in Feb 2026 next year, and now she is in a situation where the husband is not supporting for PR. She is not the alone case. I'm having other cases as well, where the wife or husband who came to Canada as a student, and they were married for last 5 years, 7 years, they have kid as well. Now they are getting separated in Canada, and they are now in the process of getting legal separation through court in Canada. So there are so many this type of cases. So because most of my cases are mature, clients are mature, and they have kids as well, their age is 30, 35, 40, and they are inside Canada, and they went to Canada in 2022, 2023, 2024, and now they are in the process of getting PR because they were married, or they got married later on, or recently got married. And that's why I'm seeing so many cases like this, because my client base is mature. I'm watching the cases of separation because they were married or they are getting married, so they were in that kind of age bracket. That's why I'm seeing this type of cases. That's why I'm making this video. So if you have an opportunity, even if your spouse can get your spousal PR. My friend Karan, who was the first case who went to Canada through me in Algoma University, he was also asking me. He also got an opportunity to get Ontario PNP under international student stream. So he also had that opportunity, and he also had an opportunity of spousal PR as well. I also asked him that he should also get Ontario PNP rather than spousal PR. He ultimately went with the spousal PR and got it as well. There is no problem in that. But it might have happened that he lost the opportunity of Ontario PNP, and later on, if the spouse wouldn't give you the spousal PR sponsorship, in that case, you are gone. This opportunity is gone. This opportunity is gone because you did not take it, and spouse is not giving you spousal PR sponsorship. So everything is gone in that scenario. So if you have an opportunity, if you went to Canada on study visa, spouse upon work permit, the way you are getting it, start building your profile independently as well. It may happen that even if you are married, if you are even if you are in really good relation with your spouse, or even if you believe that your spouse is going to give you a spousal PR opportunity or sponsorship, in any kind of scenario separation can happen, and you may not get that opportunity, and as a dependent you may not get the opportunity to get your PR along with your spouse who is the primary applicant. So in all kind of scenario, if you are a dependent, always uh, try to build at least one option for yourself, because in any scenario, if the primary applicant or if the spouse who has the PR or citizenship of Canada does not sponsor you for PR, in that case you should have independent option of getting a PR as well. I know that in 90% of the cases you may not face this kind of issue, and maybe more than 90 maybe 95% of the cases you will not get separated. But if you fall under that 2%, 3%, 5%, in that scenario you should have that option. You should build your profile for PR, and if your primary applicant is getting PR for the entire family, great, nothing like that. If your husband or wife who has PR or citizenship of Canada is sponsoring you for the PR, great, take it. But don't be just dependent on that only option. That is what I wanted to say. If you have the opportunity to build your experience, get the PR independently. So in that case, even if your spouse is going to ditch you for PR, in that case as well, you should have some profile built for yourself to get your PR. So even if you need to take experience for Ontario PNP or any other PNP wherever you are staying, even if you need to build your profile through French, or if you need to increase your score, so just have your profile in your mind as well, or at least have really good relations, so that the primary applicant is not going to ditch you, going to sponsor you, going to get you PR. So either get it with your primary applicant or build your profile as well. So it should not happen that primary applicant is also gone, not going to sponsor you, and you don't build your profile independently as well, and so you are gone anyway as well, because primary applicant either already have the PR of Canada or going to get the PR of Canada, because this primary applicant got the study in Canada, got work permit in Canada, and you were relying on this primary applicant that this primary applicant is going to get your PR. Now this primary applicant is saying, why to get your PR? Who are you? So in that kind of scenario, you will be in the middle of nowhere, and you will not be able to understand what to do. And in this particular scenario, now we are looking for an option to get either LMIA. She's not getting LMIA, it is paid, and she does not have money as well. And study, again she needs to pay. Study will not get her PG work permit again, because she already has a PG work permit. So we don't know what to do, and we may go for a study permit now, and she may require to get her experience during her study in special category, maybe in healthcare, and along with that she will require to do French as well. But now, right now, she is really in bad shape, very poor situation, and we are just trying to help her. But ultimately it is very bad situation, because she was relying on someone and that person is ditching. So this is emotional damage as well, and financial loss as well, and she does not know what to do in this scenario. So always try to build your profile. If you have that opportunity, try to get your PR independently. Don't be dependent on a PR or citizen spouse for your PR. That is the message I wanted to give you. If you want to discuss your Canada PR case, in that case I can discuss your entire case, no matter what kind of profile is there, no matter how much complexities are there. I can try to help you in your PR case through PNP or through express entry or through special category as well. And if you want to understand how you can get your Canada PR possible, in that case must watch this video as well. If you want to consult me, in that case you can call me and we can discuss your case. Thank you so much for watching this video till then. See you in